Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your model on MSI Cyborg 15. To do it, you'll need to flip your laptop over. Now there will be a sticker and I can see the model here. I know it's upside down right now, but you'll see it. It's Cyborg 15, and what's after it is also pretty important. It says here A12VE. The first section of this long code is pretty important, especially if you're searching for drivers, for example, because two different people may have the Cyborg 15, but they may completely differ what's inside of them actually. So for finding the right drivers, you'll need to use the actual full model name, which is Cyborg 15 A12VE in my case, but of course yours can be different. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.